Welcome to Joyce's Sweet Kitchen. Today episode I will be showing you how I make this my delicious suya. So I will be taking you through my ingredients, showing you step by step. So viewers, enjoy with me and let's get started. So let me take you through my ingredients. I have my beef, my biscuit beef, the one you can use to do a steak. So I have my suya pepper. I want my suya to be hot. I have extra chili pepper. I have my mixed spices, some salt and a seasoning cube. I have olive oil. First of all, what I will do, I have to slice my meat into little by little. Like this. As you can see, this is it. You have to buy the beef of a biscuit to make a steak, so that it will be very easy for you to cut. So this is it. What I'm going to do, I will be mixing my spices. So I'll be pouring my suya pepper, adding my hot chili pepper, my mixed spices for extra flavor, adding some salt to taste, putting my seasoning cube, mix everything together. So I will be adding my olive oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. Mix everything together very well. See, like this. My barbecue a grill that I will be using for barbecue. So first of all, let's put our meat together. I have my stick that I will be using. You can use the wooden one, any one you like. So I will be using this. What you are going to do, arrange it to your like this. This is it. What we will do, just use the pepper like this. Use to rub all of them. so that the ingredients will enter inside the meat very well. So as you can see, this is it. So let's take it to our grill. So as you can see, this is it, guys. Our suya is ready. This is extra suya pepper. You need extra hot. So I grill it for about 1 hour. So this is it. You can see. You can see. So guys, I will be eating this my delicacy with veggies. So I have onions, red and yellow bell pepper, I have tomatoes, and I have salad. So guys, let's give it a taste because I can't wait to eat this delicacy. So guys, let's taste it. I'll show you will never regret it. So let me sprinkle a little bit of suya spice for extra flavor. And my tomatoes. Very sweet, guys. Very delicious. I wish you are in my kitchen. You can perceive the aroma in my kitchen and the taste of this suya. I assure you guys, when you make your suya like this, you will not regret it. You will not think of a malam to go to buy in malam, and because you make your own by yourself. You know the kind of meat you make and what you put in your food. So guys, follow me and I will be showing you step by step how to make your own food in the comfort of your own kitchen. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share it to your friends and family, give it a like, and press all bell notifications so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below, guys. I assure you, this channel you will be seeing different type of things. So thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.